Let's make these cute Christmas coasters today. We will need printed pattern, cotton raw fabric stretched tightly over a hoop, yarn in desired colors, punch needle and needle threader, scissors, pencil or pen, magnets, hot glue gun, felt for backing. Choose a design and cut it reversed version. Place the pattern under the fabric and fix it with magnets. Redraw the pattern onto the fabric. The dotted line indicates the places where the color changes without an outline, and the places where the contour is needed are highlighted by a solid line. Needle threading. Insert the needle threader into the eye of the needle from the outside, and then into the barrel of the needle. It's supposed to come out in the center hole. Put the yarn through the thread loop and pull the thread through the needle, gently pulling the other end of the thread. Yarn should move freely inside the needle. Punch needling. Insert the needle all the way into the fabric. Embroider all contour lines in black. Hold the needle perpendicular to the fabric. The needle should look in the direction of motion. Make small stitches. The length of the stitch is equal to the thickness of the yarn. Make sure nothing interferes with the movement of the yarn. No knots, no objects lie on the yarn, your hands do not obstruct movement, etc. When you have come to the end of embroidering some object, hold the last stitch with your finger, pull out the needle and cut the yarn, leaving a small tip. Keep doing contour where needed. The outline is ready. The reverse side now looks something like this. Coloring. Refill the needle with burgundy color and fill the shadow side of the box. Make an outline of the entire perimeter first and then fill in the inside. Embroider the rows tightly to each other, otherwise there will be bald spots in the work. The same way, fill in the shadow part on the box lid. Fill the whole box in red. Don't forget to leave a spot unfilled for the glare. Fill all the shadow parts of the bow with dark yellow. With bright yellow color, fill all parts of the bow. Do not forget to leave empty spots for highlights. Fill the spots for highlights with white. We're done with punching, but the work doesn't look neat. Loops unraveling. Take the work off from the hoop and flip it to the front side. With a needle, untangle all the crossed loops one by one. If there are elongated loops, just trim them. Now when it's all done, the work looks so much neater. Trimming. Cut off excess fabric, leaving the edging at 1 centimeter. Make cuts on the fabric around the perimeter. Glue the edges of the fabric inside the work using a hot glue gun. Apply glue on the back side of the embroidery and glue it to the felt. Cut off excess felt. Apply a little glue to the edges of felt, and glue with loops so that the fabric is not visible. Congrats, your Christmas coaster is ready. Thank you for watching.